In our first training example, we'll be setting up a menu button to order breadsticks. We're starting in the Product Center in the Office Manager program because before we can set up a button for an item, we have to set up the product code for it first. So let's click Add New Product. In the Product Entry window, you'll see two tabs. The General tab, which has general product information, and the Advanced Pricing tab, which you'll only find in Point of Success Premium. On the General tab, the first field we enter is the product code. Let's just call this BS for breadsticks. But the code can be up to 10 characters long. It can have letters and numbers. You cannot put spaces or any punctuation in it, so you can use any code for that product that you'd like. In the description field, we'll type breadsticks. The receipt description is the short description that will print on the receipts that come from Point of Success. We offer a shorter receipt description because of the limited area that can be printed on a POS printer. The type field allows us to define the product type for this item. Now, product types are tied to taxation for items, and so you'll want to properly assign your product types. In this case, we'll just choose product charge inventory. Category is a reporting tool. The reports that are produced in Point of Success total sales information for products from each category. So there are categories defined with Point of Success when you install it. You can also delete these categories and add your own. We will assign breadsticks to the appetizers category. The prep location in the product code entry window allows you to define where the prep ticket for this item will print. And prep ticket also controls the display with the kitchen monitor in Point of Success Premium. Let's just say that in this example restaurant we have one prep tick printer in the kitchen, and so we'll just assign that to prep location number 1. Box label printing in Point of Success Premium allows you to assign the label for this item to print on no box labels on box label printer 1 or 2. We'll choose number 1. The cost is how much it costs you to produce this item. Let's just say that breadsticks cost us 25 cents to produce. And looking at the training manual, the retail price for breadsticks is $2.50. If you're using Point of Success Premium, you'll also have the Ask for Price field. Checking this will make Point of Success request the retail price when ringing up this item. You can use Ask for Price for open food items, and you can also use it for items that are sold by weight. So you can calculate the weight and the price for the item and then ask that at the time of the sale. The pop-up message displays as this product is being ordered. The pop-up message can have information in it. For example, we only have 3 of these items left, or for an age-restricted item, you can say that the customer has to be 21 years old on or before a specific year, or whatever message you like to display in order entry. This is a Point of Success Premium feature. Also, the lookup code allows you to enter a code in the order entry program to charge a customer for this item. You can also use the lookup code to scan a barcode on an item if the restaurant has a retail section or if the restaurant sells their own products. So let's click Save to save this product code, and we'll go into the Menu Designer. Click Tools and then Design Food Menu for taking orders. Now that we have the product code set up, let's place the Item button onto the ordering screen. Press F9 to go to the design mode, and then you'll notice on the component palette you have a button that says Item. Now you can tell what each of the controls on the component palette are by hovering your cursor over them. So the second control from the left is the Item button, so you click the Item button and then click anywhere onto the menu screen, which is this burgundy colored area that you see here on the screen, and that Item button will be placed onto the screen. Here in the back of the Item button properties window, you can see the Item button and the location of it on the screen. Okay, first for the caption, let's type what we want this button to say. So we say breadsticks. That's what will be shown on the button on the menu screen, and then we need to select our product code. So we drop down a list of existing product code, and the only one we have in the system is breadsticks, so we'll select that. And then we say Save, and now we have a button on our food menu that says breadsticks. Now you can change the way this button appears. You can change certain settings on the button by right-clicking on the button and then selecting any of these items. Selecting Properties again displays the Item Button Properties list so you can edit an item. You can also control the position and the size of the button. These numbers that you see in position and size are pixels. It doesn't matter whether you know what a pixel is or not. Changing these numbers change the top and left corners of the position of the button on the screen and the height and width also of the button. Let's save the button. You can also change your button height and width by dragging these handles that appear on the side of the button when it's selected. Now, when there are no handles on the button, that means that the button is not selected and you can't do anything with it, but just click the button to select it, and then you have handles to control the size and the position of the button. Now we can simulate the operation of the breadsticks button on the food menu by pressing F9 to return to the run mode, and you can see how this button will work. When you click it, it will turn green to let you order breadsticks from the menu. I'm going to return this button to approximately the same size we had before, so we can allow 2 lines of text on some of the buttons that we have coming up in the training. That's how you set up an item button. Item buttons are used to order simple things on the menu that require no configuration. Breadsticks is a good example.